to my channel. So I know you're wondering why I look like this, and that's what we will do today. So I'm gonna be teaching you on how to do this dramatic eye makeup. So I just saw it actually on Instagram, and I want to share it with you on how to do it. This is just actually very easy. So yeah, and especially holiday is coming, you can also use this makeup look on your holiday. And if you want to know how I get this look, don't forget to subscribe on my channel. Click the notification bell so you will not miss any of my video, and also to be part of this growing channel. So without delay, let's go to the tutorial. Linisin muna natin yung face natin to make sure na walang dumi dyan, okay? So, I'm using a wet wipes only to clean my face. Ang gagamitin kong primer is from Maybelline. Ayan. MAC Studio Fix in the shade of Ensky 25. Concealer. By the way, this is from Beauty Lace.
Oh, let me up with a bright smile on now. Put me in the dark, don't won't get lost now. To the moonlight, I see you.
My base powder.
Right now, you look into my eyes and felt a feeling. The nothing got it feel like a slim night. Hey, come on closer. Now I'm waiting for you, but don't hurry, I'm sorry.
Brow, I'm gonna be using this two color right here.
You look into my eyes, together feel so high. To make a way the twilight, my only, my bestie. Into my life, let me if you want tonight. Little more shining star to the sky, looking high. All the people, you're the one and only you know. Want to be with you, call my name, love. Ooh, somebody else, and that is you. Ooh, falling in with you. Only wondering me, you already feel it there. Give me a little more dark in the spotlight. Do I wanna know something? You look in.
It's the black one, but very little only.
And nothing got a dream like a slim night. Hey, come on closer now, waiting for you. But tomorrow is slowly. Oh yeah, the moonlight's all around us. You look into my eyes, together feel so high. To make a way the twilight, my only, my bestie. Into my life, let me if you want tonight. 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 Ooh, I think it's.
Okay, so now I'm now gonna brush this powder.
I want to talk, a dream like a moment, fantasy. Baby, I think about you now. Yeah.
Okay, so now I'm gonna be using using this Morphe palette, and I'm gonna be taking this color brown here and put it right here.
Fall into my love. Let me if you want tonight. Let me if you want tonight. Let me if you want tonight. Let me if you want tonight, tonight. Let me if you want tonight.
갑자기 내게 나타나준 너. 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지.
Next, I'm gonna be taking this lighter brown right here, and I'm just gonna put it on top of the darker brown.
이해가 됐어. 매번 야야야야야 불러 널 야야야야 내 맘을 고백하려고 타이밍만 보는 나. 그런 나를 넌 보며 왜 그러냐고 묻네 너 때문에.
Okay, so next, I'm gonna put in this black color here and put it in the middle.
Going crazy 무뎌져 버린 내 가슴이 뛰어 I'm going crazy yeah. 시간은 계속 흘러만 가고 기다리다 지쳐 그만 널 놓칠까봐. 하지만 성급한 나의 고백을 넌 거절할까 두려워서 매번 야야야야야 불러 널 야야야야 네가 제일 좋아하는 게 뭐냐고 물어본 나. 그런 나를 넌 보며 대답 없이 미소만 짓는데 I'm going crazy.
So now I'm gonna be using a clean brush, a fluffy brush to clean everything.
무뎌져 버린 내 가슴이 뛰어 I'm going crazy.
Flare glitters.
crazy 어쩔 수 없는 걸 널 보면 아무런 일도 할 수 없는 걸 I'm going crazy. 오늘은 너에게 내 맘을 고백할게. 내 맘을 봐.
And don't put the glitter all the way at the end of your eyeshadow. So only here. Magtira kayo ng space dito. Please save some space here.
Crazy. I'm going crazy.
Eyeliner here in the center.
어린 내 가슴이 뛰어 I'm going crazy. Yeah. I'm going crazy. 어쩔 수 없는 걸 널 보면 I'm going crazy. 내 맘을 받아준 오늘 완벽해진 하루.
On this look, guys, you don't need to make a wing liner on the end of your eyeshadow because we're already using a black. Using the black eyeshadow again here. right under the black eyeshadow. The lightest one here. I'm just gonna put my false eyelash and with my false eyelash. So now the next step is I'm gonna put eyeliner.
When I wake up, I feel cozy, yeah. Can you hold up? Don't need no coffee yet. I've got no makeup. How do you look so fine? Bust up, bust up. How did I make you mine? Damn.
I'm gonna bronze my face using this.
This moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second. I love this moment, yeah. Don't you love when we take our time to make love? Promise you I'm not wasting time in the bathtub. We don't gotta rush, no. Never gonna rush, no. My life's in a slow-mo, always in a slow-mo. I still show up on time. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute.
So next, I'm gonna be using this blush on from Wet n Wild.
Moment, yeah.
Everything using this Maybelline foundation powder.
You got me feeling loved, even though I hold us up. Let me know if you ever think that I am being too much. You got me feeling loved, even though I hold us up. Let me know if you ever think that I am being so. Just stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love
My eyebrush. Spray my brush using this MAC Prep Prime.
another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Just stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Just stay a minute. Stay a minute. Stay a minute, another minute. Stay a minute, another minute. Stay a minute.
Last but not the least, ang lipstick from Maybelline. Yan. This is the shade of Self Starter.
Do you have a moment? And this very second, I know you feel the beat.
Alright guys, so this is it. This is the look, and I'm just gonna fix my hair and I'll be back with the final look.
Ginagawa mo.
for today. I hope that you like it, and if you do like it, please share this video and don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you will not miss any of my video, and don't forget the notification bell as well. So I'll see you guys again on my next video. Bye!